Hello everyone, it's Pipan here. So today I'm with the report, sales report dashboard here. So this is a dashboard that I made using Cognos Analytics 11.1.7 latest version. So there are different visualization that have been used to show the report of sales report. So here we can see on the top we have the KPI that presents the total revenue by and that has shows us the revenue by quarter also. So on the right we have a line and column chart. On the middle we have a line visualization, and on the bottom we have line and column. And we can see here a bullet chart has been shown. So this dashboard represents the revenue and sales the product cost. So here we can see there are four. This dashboard represents the 4 years of sales data. So if we select the 2016, if we want to see a 2016 sales report, we can see the sales report are from four different countries, and we can see here different type of products have been sold, and we can see here the method, the order method that the products have been sold. So here we can see the sales report of 2016. So we can see here every country has a margin of 40%, profit margin of 40% or more. So you can see here Canada has the most sales, so it is the most profitable country. So if we select a quarter, if we select like we like select Q3 and Q4, we can see the dashboard changes. This represents the product type. So this, this blue color represents the plant revenue. The middle represents the product cost. The green represents the revenue. And the uppermost color represents the expected revenue, and the lowermost color represents the gross profit that has been divided by different product types. So we can see here $88.8 million worth of goods product was sold through web. We can see the fax and mail are the least sold product. So if we select the product line, let's select camping equipment. So we can see here the dashboard changes. So we sold an estimated of 62 million worth of camping equipment in 2016 Q3 and Q4. Mm, United States had the most amount of sales. Most of the sales were delivered or received order from web. So thanks for watching. This is a dashboard that is made by using Cognos Analytics 11.1.7. Thank you for